Alright, welcome back. I hope you guys had a good weekend. So last week you guys talked about scatter plots and plotting them, and on Friday you learned about outliers. So hopefully that's all good. If not, come talk to me and we'll figure out outliers, okay? So your warm-up is, how do you create a scatter plot? If I give you a set of points, how do you create one? Okay? So when we talk about all these scatter plots, we discussed how you don't draw a line between all of the points, right? Because it gets kind of crazy, especially if you have more data than this, which the graphs we did last week had a lot more data points. And we talked about the association. This would have a positive linear association, right? And it would be pretty strong association. But when we're looking at the data, a lot of times they want us to be able to say, well, where will the rest of the data points lie approximately? So they want you to draw what's called the line of best fit, okay? Now the line of best fit, all it is you're trying to get a line through the points, not actually through them, but around them, okay? That kind of shows the general way the points are going, okay? So when you're creating a line of best fit, you should use a ruler to divide the points so there's an equal number on both sides of the line. So I'm looking at this, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I want about 6 on each side, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can kind of see the line's going to go somewhere in between here, right? And you also, some of the points might actually be on the line of best fit. And you probably want to include 2 if you can, and that will actually help with tomorrow's lesson, okay? So I'm kind of looking at this, and I can kind of see right between here, that'll give me about halfway. So I'm going to kind of line it up with these 2 points here, and actually there's going to be 3 points on it, okay? And this is approximation. It might not be perfect. Your line might not look exactly like my line, but it should be pretty close. And you can kind of see, and there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's a few more up here, so maybe we need to tilt it a little more, but that's approximately our line of best fit here. Okay? And then for today's homework, what I'm going to do is you're going to actually plot the scatter plot again, find the outliers and the association, and then draw the line of best fit. Okay? So I have this data already drawn for myself here. Okay? And again, they don't, for whatever reason, the copier does not want to make these look pretty here. Okay, so this is a similar graph to what we did last week here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is find the outliers, and I can kind of see these 2 points not really following the whole data set here, right? So you kind of just ignore those when you're looking at the line of best fit. And I have a pretty strong association here, right? That's actually your exit slope, so I'm not going to tell you the answer to that. So consider my line of best fit. So again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so about 7 and 7. And I can kind of see if I draw my line through this guy here, that's about what's going to happen. Now, I'm going to try and find a point that would work with this, and I think it's going to be these 2 here. Alright, so between these 2 points here, I know you can't see the bottom, but I'll show you in a sec here what's going to happen. Alright, you can kind of see there's approximately boom, boom, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got pretty much equal on both sides. There were an odd number of points, so I looked out there. Okay, so that's all you're doing. I had already plotted the data for you, or the picture had. Today you will be plotting your own data though, so if you need help plotting it, you need to go back to last week's notes, okay? Have a wonderful day. I forgot to put your homework on here, but it'll be on the whiteboard and on RunWeb. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget your exit slip. What is the association of the graph above? And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.